Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and of course some proper good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video, beautiful people. Today we'll be making some sticky soy chicken, and here we're going to make some marinade for the chicken. So 1 tablespoon soy sauce. You can use reduced soy sauce if you want. It has less salt. And here we're adding half teaspoon fish sauce. You can replace it with oyster sauce if you don't have the fish sauce. Half teaspoon ginger paste. You can chop some ginger if you don't have the paste. 2 teaspoon brown sugar, and of course half teaspoon garlic paste. The same, you can just chop up and mince up some garlic, right? If you don't have the paste, that's okay. So mix this up and set it aside until you're ready for it. So here I have 1 chicken thigh. We are going to be using 6 chicken thighs, my favorite part of the chicken, this and the leg. So we are going to be deboning the chicken. Yes, get that one piece of bone out of it by any means necessary. So slice and tear, whatever you need to do, just get it out. Yes, so bam, tear it out, right? And there it is, and there is the piece of bone. And yeah, just like that, done. So now we're gonna season it, and I'm using 6 pieces of chicken thighs. So we're pouring that nice marinade all over the chicken, and I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chili powder. So whether mild or hot, whichever one works for you, right? Yes, so chili powder, 1 teaspoon. So flip those chicken thighs over, and I'm gonna pour the rest of the chili powder on there, and 2 stalks of scallion or green onion that I chopped up. So of course, go ahead and rub up everything on the chicken, and I'm gonna set that aside to marinate, preferably overnight, but give it at least 2 hours, right? So here it is, and here are the rest of my ingredients, and I'm adding 1 tablespoon of oil to the pot. So I'm going to scrape off all the scallion off of the chicken and then continue to add them to the pot. So Vibes Sam, we are looking for a beautiful brown sear. We are trying to sear the chicken, right? Get it nice and brown. We want that beautiful brown color on there. This is looking almost like it, but I'm going to leave it for a little while. So this is it. Look at it. That is gorgeous. Just beautiful. That's what we're going for. So flip them over and let the other side brown as well. Do you see that beautiful color? Look at it, gorgeous. So we're gonna take them out and add them to a plate. And Vibes Sam, you want to make sure that the fire is not on low, right? Because you need them to brown, get nice and brown. So have the fire on medium high. So add the rest of the chicken and yeah, let them brown. So let's work on the oil. Oh my goodness, let's work on the sauce. So it's 3 tablespoons dark soy sauce. As I said, you can use reduced soy sauce, right? It has less salt, so that one is good. So what I did here too, I added 1 tablespoon of the reduced soy sauce, and then I did 2 tablespoons of the dark soy sauce. So the other ingredients that I added were 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 teaspoon hoisin sauce, and 1 teaspoon ginger paste. And the last but not least, I'm adding 1 teaspoon red chili powder. And we are gonna give that a mix. So yeah, make sure that you add the right soy sauce, right? Don't, if you know that you have pressure problem, definitely use reduced soy sauce. So here I have 1/4 cup of water, and I added 1/2 teaspoon of corn flour. So I'm just making a slurry, right, to thicken the sauce for the chicken. So here I'm cutting up 1/2 of a chili, 1 red chili. So let's look at the chicken. Look at it, Vybz. We're gonna turn those over and look at beautification. Look at beautiful color, looking nice and toasty. Well, not toasty, you know, brown, nice and brown. So flip those baby boys over. You see those tiny pieces, so cute. So yeah, flip everything over, and then that's gonna be us. Get a nice sear on them. Beautiful, just beautiful. So yeah, Vybz, now let's take out these little baby pieces and then take out the others. They're gorgeous, just gorgeous. I love the color on them, beautiful. So now we're gonna go ahead and scrape out, take out everything that is in the pot, right? So all those debris, right? It's not dirt though, but all those nice juicy stuff, take them out. And here are our chicken, just looking so gorgeous and beautiful and delectable. It looks so good. So now let's add them to the pot. Yes, gorgeous. So of course, add the baby ones, add them. Do not forget the little babies. And now we're gonna go in with the, look at the sauce. Look at beautiful. Oh yes, pour it all over it. Pour and pour. Look at it, just luscious, just so juicy and good. Gorgeous, yes. And then next we're gonna add, so this is the scallion from when I seasoned the chicken, right? So I'm just adding it to it. I scrape it out, and of course the chili that I cut up. Yes, look at pretty. It looks so good already, and it's not ready. So yes, go ahead and put the chili on there. Just so nice and beautiful. That pop of red is everything. So as you saw, I added the slurry, right? The cornstarch mix. I added it, right? And yeah, you just want to shake up the pot, and now we're going to, when everything is combined, right? Then you just take the sauce and just yes, just pour it on the chicken. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna cover it cover it after we're done with that, and then leave it for 5 minutes, and then that's gonna be us, just beautiful. Vybz fam, you see beautiful. Look on gorgeousness. Just give 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And Vybz fam, here we have it. I mean, tell me this is not beautiful. Listen, we're not even gonna go any further. Click share and send this recipe to Auntie Pringles. You have to. I mean, why not? You must. You must. You must. You must treat your taste bud to this delectableness. Listen to me. You have to. You need to. It tastes so good. But yeah, Vibe Sam, when you mix up everything, make sure you taste it, right? So if you need to add a little bit more water, because depending on the soy sauce you use, remember, do not add any sauce, any salt to this recipe. Soy sauce is very salty. So, right, use reduced soy sauce if you can. That would be perfect. But yeah, Vibe Sam, look at it. Thank you so much for watching. It is so beautiful, tasty. Serve it. You can just slice it up and serve it on a bed of rice. But yeah, Vibe Sam, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and run over Instagram and follow me. Thank you. God bless you.